We're in the middle of New York's craziest blizzard in the last 150 years, and I'm gonna show you the entire experience over the course of 24 hours. The wind is almost pushing me. The wind is literally pushing me. It has been snowing like this for the last 18 hours of snow, almost a foot and a half, almost 15 to 18 inches of snow. But right now it's getting too cold for me. This is seriously not weather to be playing around in. This is madness. If you can see behind me what's going on, then you will be able to realize the true force. New York is gonna see its strongest blizzard in a long time. In fact, we just saw a snowstorm last month, and this one's going to be as big as last time. And we're going to capture this entire thing over the next 24 hours. You can see the snow as I'm recording this video as well. And this is only going to get worse from here. They're predicting almost 13 to 16 inches, even 20 inches of snow. So it's going to be a lot of snow. And it started piling up right now. It's approximately 2 o'clock right now. So it's going to progress very, very fast. This is snow from the last thunderstorm that's still here. So the last thunderstorm a month ago, and this snow was already there. There are parts of it everywhere. And it's already started to snow once more. Time for update number 2. The winds are already a decent amount. You can almost feel it over here, and you can see it on the snow. But New York is in a state of emergency. New Jersey is in a state of emergency. So, and the snow has started accumulating, and it's definitely getting there. In an hour or so, or in a couple of hours, we will definitely see this pile up. Usually that is where you see the Manhattan skyline. I'm going to put in a photo from a clear day over here just to show you what this is like. And this is what it looks like right now. So it is now time for update number 3. That this entire place is now covered in almost an inch of snow. And it's only 6 o'clock right now, 6:30. Just look at the winds right now. You can see the winds against the snow and how and you can also see how the snow has accumulated all over. Started to get really cold. My fingers are freezing after just 5 minutes of being outside, which gives you a sense of how cold it's going to get now. So we just got this notification on our phones, which was an emergency alert that I'm going to show to you on the screen right here. Vehicles have been banned in the city of New York for the next 12 hours or so. Update, it's 9 p.m. right now, and things are just getting crazier. The winds are stronger, 3-4 inches of snow. This gives you a sense of how cold the winds are. Man. Whoa. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. The next time I'm going to come up is going to be right before I sleep, which is about 12 o'clock. Alright. So it is 12. And I just wanted to show to you what the scenario is at the moment. We're going to explore a couple of more places right now and see what it's like, but it's extremely slippery as well. Oh my god, look at how crazy it is. Look at the winds. I hope you can see what's going on around me, and this is like really crazy. Look at the amount of snow they've already accumulated. Let me show it to you. Seething some 30 to 40 miles per hour, which is almost 70 kilometers per hour. Removal is happening all around the place. You can see these cars who are removing the snow constantly. So thanks to all the workers. Feel how hard the wind is blowing and how cold it is. The wind is almost pushing me. The wind is literally pushing me. Oh playing with the snow. It's really cold. You've never seen anything like this. We're right in the middle of New York's craziest blizzard in almost 100 years. This is absolutely insane how cold it is. It's already well over 6 inches of snow. Oh my god, look at that. You can see how challenging it is for people to walk, even those who are trying to walk. Wind is really hurting me. And we're gonna see what this looks like at 6 in the morning tomorrow. But right now it's getting too cold for me. This is next level. This is absolutely next level. That was absolutely retarded. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna show you what it's gonna be like tomorrow at 6 a.m. and it's snow. Alright. It's 6 a.m. right now and it has snowed all night, and snow is expected to happen for the next 6 hours as well. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, this is unique because the winds are blowing so hard that the snow is just entering my eyes. That's something that I haven't faced. 6 o'clock in the morning, the situation is no better than what it was last night, obviously. If you can see behind me what's going on, then you will be able to realize the true force of what the weather is like right now. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. The force with which the snow is hitting me is unreal. Oh, you can see the gusts, the wind gusts are now letting me speak. You can't see a single thing on the side of the river. That's where the river is. That's where the river is supposed to be. Luckily the river has not frozen, so it's not as cold as it usually is when the river freezes. Otherwise you will see that these parts of the river completely freeze off. This is seriously not weather to be playing around in. This is madness. This is scary. This is truly scary. Look at the condition of my microphone after just like 3-4 minutes out there. Oh my god, the window is entirely gone. We are deciding to be ambitious and stepping out. It's 9 a.m. and let's see if we can go and get a coffee. That's the plan. Let's go, Atasha. Could you repeat that? Not the right decision? Okay. The winds are still crazy. They are as crazy as they were. Holy shit. Oh my god. Look at this. Like, this is insane. I don't think anything is going to be open other than like essential stuff. I think we should just take a round from here. My hands, yeah, one hand is already, look at the color. As someone who grew up in India, I never experienced this kind of weather. I think what's unique about this snow compared to last time is that the winds are crazier. So that makes the snow, as you can see, come right at your face. It starts hurting you. So snowflakes are going inside our eyes. So we're gonna go back inside now. Let's go. How was that? Terrible. That was absolutely crazy. That was one of the craziest things I've experienced in my life. There is no doubt about it. Overnight, the winds were constantly really strong, and they went up to 55 miles per hour, which is basically a strong gale, and it was snowing the entire night. So the combination became almost lethal. Now it's much better. I think the winds are strong, but not as strong. 2.5 hours before this actually stops. This is supposed to be the main road. Take a look at these benches. This will truly tell you how deep the snow is. I am feet deep in snow until my knees. Take a look at this. Oh shit. The winds have clearly calmed down, and it's not as crazy as it was in the morning. Still snowing. It's supposed to snow for another couple of hours. This guy wants to get Oh wow, we got it. My God, look at these trees. Almost 3:30 now, and the blizzard is finally over after 24 hours. The snow has finally stopped and people are out, so it's good. That was an intense 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed as I showed you the entire thing. I'll see you guys in a future video. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and sharing this video if you liked what you saw.